Once you've downloaded the app, you will need to log in with Facebook. If it is the first time you are using the app, it will ask you to add a MissionHub account. Then it will ask you to sign in with Facebook. This is your usual MissionHub login, and by adding an account, it is easy to have different people log into MissionHub on the same phone. On the top left, if you click on the MissionHub logo, you can see all of the options for this app. The first thing you will want to do is click on Organization. Here, you can make sure you are logged into the proper organization and change organizations if you're in the wrong one. Use the drop-down arrows to find sub-organizations. Now let's look at contacts. By default, contacts are listed in alphabetical order by last name. You have options to sort by different categories, including status, gender, permission, labels, phone number, and email. Select which you want, and then select to sort ascending, descending, or off to turn off the sort. Once you select a category and turn on the sort, you will see contacts listed in that order. You can search for a contact using the search box at the top. The search requires at least 3 characters to be entered. Let's open a specific contact. From the main page, you can call them by clicking on their phone number. From the 3 dots or the More button in the top right, or the Menu button on some Android phones, you can send them a text message or an email. This button also allows you to edit a contact's permission or delete them. From the bottom of the Info tab, there is a link to the contact's Facebook profile if their Facebook has been associated with their MissionHub profile. If you swipe a contact's picture to the right, you can see all the labels applied to them. From here, you can click on the labels to add or remove them. You can also use the label icon at the top to access the screen to edit labels. To assign a contact to a user or admin, use this icon. From the Interactions tab, you can see all the conversations and other interactions people have had with this contact. To add your own comment or interaction, use the pencil icon at the top. From here, you can change the type of interaction, both the initiator and receiver, the permission of who can see this interaction, and add a comment. When you've made all the changes, you want to be sure to click the Save button. The Surveys tab shows you the survey questions they've answered. If you go back to the main contact list by clicking on the Back button, you can add a new contact. To add a contact, click the button that is the head and a plus sign in the upper right corner. Fill in any information you'd like to and click Save. You can also make changes to multiple contacts by selecting the checkboxes to the left of a few names. Then you can click on one of the 3 icons in the upper right to make changes to every contact that has a check mark next to their name. The More button, or 3 dots, will allow you to text or email all the contacts selected or to modify their permissions or delete them. When you click the MissionHub logo at the upper left of the main screen, you can select any user, label, interaction, or permission to see contacts related to that category. To remove the filter, again click on the MissionHub logo and click on whatever category you had chosen. You can select a specific survey to enter into survey mode. This allows you to have someone take a survey you've previously created right from your device. If your survey has the option, they will be prompted to log in using Facebook and will be logged out after completing the survey. When finished, their answers will be submitted into MissionHub, and the next person can then log in and take your survey.